Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get VIP on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can find the first button, the Facetune VIP. Here you can check your free tier, but if you go to the show all plans at the lower side of the screen, you can find different weekly promotions, for example, and you can purchase that with real money. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.